Imagine for a moment. The sky is completely silent. The radar screen is empty, not a single sign of an enemy aircraft. But just a few seconds later, a target suddenly gets destroyed. No sound, no warning, no indication of who carried out the strike. This isn't a science fiction movie. This is the future toward which the world's air forces are rapidly moving. And when experts talk about that future, one name keeps appearing again and again. J-36, China's possible sixth-generation fighter. This is the aircraft many analysts call the ghost of future air combat. Because once it arrives, every rule of aerial warfare could change. In today's video, we are not discussing any secret claims, nor any classified sources, but rather those public reports, defense analyses, and conversations among aviation experts that are widely discussed around the world. If you want to understand what the fighter jet of the future might look like, and why the J-36 is considered a game-changing concept, then this video is absolutely for you. Let's begin this journey into the astonishing world of the future. First, let's address the basic question. What exactly is a sixth-generation fighter? According to defense experts worldwide, a sixth-gen fighter may include new-generation stealth, human and AI-assisted control, drone teaming, hypersonic weapons, automated electronic warfare, and extremely low-power, next-gen sensors. All these features are part of open-source defense discussions. China has not officially announced the J-36, but global media, expert analyses, and aviation forums regularly discuss this concept. It is referred to as China's possible next-generation fighter program. According to analysts, aviation artists, and international reports, China's next fighter may feature a tailless shape, highly stealth-oriented geometry, and an aerodynamic profile optimized for long-range missions. These are the same design trends seen in platforms like the F-35, B-21, and Europe's Tempest program. Several air forces around the world have openly discussed AI assistance. Based on this trend, analysts believe that China's next fighter may also include an AI-assisted brain alongside the pilot. AI could handle situational assessment, instant decisions, target priorities, and mission management. The United States, Australia, and Europe are working on loyal wingman programs. So it is possible that China may also design its next fighter to operate with drone teams. One fighter accompanied by autonomous drones. This is considered a major weapon of future warfare. Hypersonic technology is currently the focus of major global powers. Therefore, it is widely expected that future sixth-gen fighters could carry such weapons. Chinese state media has publicly discussed WS-15 and new-generation engines. Based on these discussions, analysts believe the next fighter could emphasize supercruise capability and extended range. Pakistan and China's defense relations are a well-known reality. The JF-17 is the best example of this. Based on this foundation, defense analysts ask, will the two countries collaborate on even more advanced programs in the next decade? This remains purely an analytical discussion. There are three major sixth-gen programs in the world: United States, NGAD, Europe/UK, Tempest, Japan plus US, FX. Each nation is developing its own concept. And therefore a Chinese concept like the J-36 could be another important entry in this global race. One thing everyone agrees on: the air combat of the future will be silent, smart, and AI-controlled. Humans will not just fly. They will share decision-making with technology, whether it's called J-36 or something else. China's next fighter will certainly play a significant role in the future race for air superiority. Now the real question is, in the next 10 to 15 years, where is air power headed? Will the skies of the future be flown by humans or by AI? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Do share them in the comments. If you found this video informative, and you want more content on technology, military aviation, and the future of warfare, then be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and press the bell icon, so the next video reaches you instantly. See you in the next video.